got these portable ramps to make the step a little easier if you have a rollator or a wheelchair. These do fold in half this way and in half again, but they are made of aluminum, so even though they're very durable and a little heavy, they are portable and they pack well into a vehicle. These ramps are 7 feet long. You can get them a little longer or a little shorter. What you want to consider is how steep of a slope do you want or need this ramp to be. This is a nice large overlap, but there are pins as well to be sure it's securely in place before stepping onto it. These ramps have a very nice non-skid surface. This is really grippy, and that is what we needed. On the edge of these ramps, there's a little bit of a lip, so the wheel cannot accidentally slip off the edge. If you need to, you can separate to make 2 separate narrower ramps, or you can keep them hinged together. First impression after pulling it out of the box and setting it up, I'd say this performs just like we were expecting.